Our diploma course is also for those students that want to learn the next level of hypnosis and want to learn non-verbal hypnosis, something we call mesmerism and magnetism, that hypnosis actually came from. We will teach you how to take a client into trance without using any words. So not only will you get to learn the modern word-spoken form of hypnosis, but you'll also get to learn the non-verbal, unspoken way of doing hypnosis.
The other part of our diploma course is a business component where you'll learn the basics of business to help you manage your business and to run it professionally. The objective at the end of our diploma course is to bring all of those learnings together from the certificate level into the diploma level and bring them all together in the culmination of what we call a total resolution process, where you'll start the end of your day 5 using spoken hypnosis and then move into the energetic hypnosis, culminating in hopefully the client that you're dealing with experiencing some phenomenal change.
We're always here to be able to support you, and we have a massive network around Australia of our graduate students who get together, who practice, whether that's online, whether that's in person, and they support each other every step of the way, so you're not there alone.
We look forward to meeting every single one of you that wants to jump on board Australian Academy of Hypnosis.